Good morning, student. Today we will start with chapter 4, change in profit sharing ratio among existing partners. How they can change their profit sharing ratio and what will be the effect. This profit sharing ratio is the reason when the partner is changing their profit sharing ratio among the existing partners, when admission of a new partners, retirement of a partner, death of a partner, or amalgamation of two more or more companies. These are the reasons when profit sharing ratio of partners get changed. Change the profit sharing ratio among the existing partners. Change in the profit sharing ratio leads to dissolution of partnership and not to the firm. So by changing the profit sharing ratio, there is change in the dissolution of partnership, not the firm. Because there is dissolution of the partnership and now there is need to do another agreement of the partnership, new agreement of the partnership, and according to the new agreement of the partnership, they will decide their new ratio for new partnership. When these things will happen, that means any partner got admit, when any partner has taken the retirement, etc. So adjustment for change in the profit sharing ratio. These are the 5 points we will work upon in this chapter. First of all, determine the sacrificing ratio and the gaining ratio. Whenever any partner is coming in the organization, there is change in the ratio, sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio. One partner will sacrifice his share and the new partner who is coming will be called the gaining partner. So these are the other 4 points we will discuss in after this point. So first, today we will take determination of sacrifice ratio and gaining ratio. What is the definition of sacrificing ratio? Sacrificing ratio is the ratio in which one or more partners of the firm forego or sacrifice their profit share or favor of one or more partners of the firm. So there is change. There is change in the share of old partners as well as new partners. So sacrifice profit share will be calculated because here we have two kinds of share, two ratios, old ratio and a new ratio. When new share will be deducted from old share, you will get your sacrificed share. Gaining ratio, opposite to it. Gaining ratio in which one or more partner gain profit as a result of sacrifice. When one partner is sacrificing his share, then that share will be given to the another partner. So that is called gaining partner. And this is the opposite. New profit sharing will be deducted from old profit sharing ratio. This is your gaining profit. Look at one example. Amit and Sumit are partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio 2:1. It was decided by them to share the profits equally. So this is their old ratio and this is their new ratio. And we have to calculate sacrificing and gaining ratio. So there is no need that you will put the formula of both. Answer will be same when either you calculate by this or either you calculate by this. So here we are calculating sacrifice profit ratio. Old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio is 2/3 and 1/3. And new ratio is 1/2 equal 1/2, 1/2. Deduction of it. 1/6 is your sacrifice and 1/6 is your gain. It is in the minus. When we got minus in the sacrificing ratio, then it will be your gain. So keep this in mind. When there is sacrificing ratio we are calculating, and here is the sign of minus, then this will be the gain for the Sumit. So positive sign means sacrifice as old profit. Share is more. Why I am saying this? This is the reason. Read it carefully. Positive difference means sacrifice as old profit, that is more than the new profit share. Negative difference means gain as old profit share is less than the new profit share. So this is the reason. New profit is more than the new share is more than the old share, so that is why it is a gain. So just try to understand all these topics in the ratios, gaining ratio, sacrificing ratio.